वो मेरे पास आया। He came to me. He came to me. वो कहाँ चला गया है? Where has he gone? Where has he gone? वो कब गए हैं? When have they gone? When have they gone? तुमने क्या सोचा है? What have you thought? What have you thought? वो अभी गया है। He has just gone. He has just gone. कब तक इंतज़ार करोगे? How long will you wait? How long will you wait? वो कब तक पढ़ता रहेगा? How long will he be reading? How long will he be reading? मैं कब तक अंग्रेज़ी सीखना मुकम्मल करूँगा? How long will I complete learning English? How long will I complete learning English? मैं कब तक ठीक हो जाऊँगा? How long will I recover? How long will I recover? मैं तुम्हारे बारे में सब कुछ जानता हूँ। I know everything about you. I know everything about you. वो मेरा फ़ोन नहीं उठा रहा है। He is not picking up my phone. He is not picking up my phone. किसी और ने नहीं किया। Nobody else did it. Nobody else did it. क्या पूछना है? What to ask? What to ask? वो घर किसका है? Whose is that house? Whose is that house? इन दिनों क्या हो रहा है? What's up these days? What's up these days? मैं तुमसे ऊंचा हूँ। I am taller than you. I am taller than you. आप किस शहर से हैं? Which city are you from? Which city are you from? आप किस शहर में हैं? Which city are you in? Which city are you in? आपके पास क्या नहीं है? What don't you have? What don't you have?